Chuku. Come to me in Serenity Cooperative Care in East Los Angeles, California, USA, and in Carson, NAS Corporate Office, in all states in USA, in all countries, in family generation ancestry. Ikwalu, Ibu, ritual, wipe out, free us from allegation, Ebubo, then Mockery, Mkputor, all allegations incoming or they are planning against all good humans, against us, to lie against us, in all ways and to get us into trouble, and all mockery against us. They talk and mock us. People we are helping, people we are showing kindness, showing love, praying for them and lifting them up, but they show no appreciation. They continue to mock us, laugh out loud against us, looking for a way to put allegation against the innocent against us, to free us. I use all animals, roosters, frogs, goats, agama lizard, owls, grasshopper, orange, sugar, pepper soup, free us, and replace all pits of allegation, Ebubo, and Mockery, Mkputor, all pits. I use them, cover all the pits, level all floor, wipe out all the shame. Prayers, calculated to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity orbit. Transfer to our family generation ancestry, based in USA Nature Science and Technology. Transfer to Serenity Cooperative Care. Transfer to Lakers, Chelsea, LA Rams, LA Kings, Dodgers, all my team. Transfer into all sports. Transfer to all my siblings and my family. So Marudu say. It's me, Sanke FM. Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, Los Angeles, California, USA.